Hi, my name is Kate, and here we are in Yorkshire, building and installing sculptures with the Goan-based artist Subodh Kerkar. There we go!
We've arrived to northern Yorkshire several days ago. We settled a little, got the tools ready, and today we have received a container from India, fully loaded with sculptures and art pieces from the Museum of Goan. It took us roughly 3 hours, 5 people and one serious forklift to get the job done. Can't believe we made it. Thank you Guy and Jane for your help. It's nice to get some Goan spirit of the ocean here. Slava and I are so happy to work together with Subodh and to help him create and install his artwork. Stay tuned for what's going on. Some massive woodworking is ahead.